Welcome back to another video. I am back in the States. Sadly, it was so fun on my little vacation. I had so much fun, but it's time to go back. Get to see this beautiful thing again. Haven't seen my car at all since then, so yeah. So this video I'm gonna talk about DIY cold start silencers. So as you know, my car is pretty much almost straight pipe. I have headers, mid pipe, and an axle back. And then my axle back actually has mufflers, but it's pretty much all I have is like mufflers and resonators. That's all I have right now on the car. So I cold start it, it's like ridiculously loud. Insert clip. So it's really loud, and sometimes I like to like work early, sometimes like 4 a.m. So with that being said, my car is ridiculously loud, and I'm gonna be nice and considerate for my neighbors. So I came with this idea. So I always carry in my trunk pool noodles. I know it sounds stupid as heck, but I bought these at Lowe's, and pretty much all it acts as is like another resonator, a muffler, or resistance, because air still comes through the hole. Here it's not blocked, the hole is completely open, so air is still coming in it. So it's not like the air is going back into the engine. It's not, because it's going straight out to the air. It just acts like another resistor. All the noise going into like the foam pieces, and it's coming out pretty much just another muffler pretty much, or resistance for sound. Does it work? Well, hear the difference. So I think it works. Cameras maybe picks it up a little louder than it actually is in person, but in person it isn't that loud. So I got the bigger size at Lowe's because of my mufflers or my tips. If I shove it in like so, it won't go anywhere. Like sometimes whenever you have it too small, if you turn on it will shoot out. So I had these little clamps clamping to the exhaust tip, but I think it was scratching it, so I didn't like it. But the bigger size one fits like perfectly, and when it turns on it won't shoot out, because if it shoots out it's like obnoxious noise. So that's what I use. Just pretty much foam pool noodles, like $5. I got like 2. I cut it in half for like 4. I have quad tips. I have 4. If you only have like a dual exhaust, just buy 1, cut it in half. Pretty much that's it. A little cheap whatever hack, whatever you want to call it. And I asked my mechanic, and he said that it's not gonna hurt the engine at all. It won't benefit it, so like it won't be bad, but won't like help it run better. So it's just that's what I do just for cold starts if I wake up really early in the morning. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys tried this before actually, and let me guys know your thoughts. So very short video again. Miss seeing my car. Haven't seen it in so long. So yeah, thank you for bearing me when I was in a different country, and I'm still trying out this new software. I think I'm pretty close to getting it nailed down, so bear with me with that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video again. Glad to be back. I'm gonna try to make more videos for you guys. I have a list of stuff I want to do and record, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys in the next video.